Greetings, it is October 31st, 2019. I've now done a third study of Stephen Tyrone Johns, a martyr, heroic martyr, who was born October 4th, 1969. Had he not been murdered 10 years ago, he would have celebrated his 50th birthday earlier this month. So I think that was the first study I did. That was the second. And this one I just finished just a few minutes ago, which I began yesterday. He was murdered by a white racist Klansman, anti-Semite, Holocaust denier, shot to death at the entryway of the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum on June 10th, 2009. So they're shaped, each one is shaped like this for my thinking, at least with the first two, which I'm going to continue. I'm not sure about this one. I may actually do a double portrait. I have a piece of wood that these two would fit in. I might even have them going kind of like that. We'll see. With a mosaic around surrounding. But I may wait until spring and warmer weather and open my windows. Anyway, Stephen Tyrone Johns of blessed memory, who was a federal police officer at the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. All right, to be continued, not necessarily soon, but within a half year. All right.